The HAPPRUN YG291 Mini Electric Focus Projector is a compact 1080p projector featuring remote focus, digital zoom, a 200-inch display, and HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the HAPPRUN YG291 Mini Electric Focus Projector, remote control, HDMI cable, power cord, user manual, product overview. Remote button function. How to use: plug the projector into a power outlet and turn it on. Connect your device via HDMI or a compatible cable. Select the correct input using the menu source button, then adjust the focus until the image is clear. Use the directional pad to navigate menus, press OK or Enter to confirm selections, access settings with the Settings button, return using back, and adjust the volume with the volume buttons. Press Settings, select Keystone or Projection with the directional pad, adjust the image until it is rectangular, then press OK or Enter to save and back to exit. How to connect. Connect your device to the projector using the included HDMI cable and HDMI port, or use an AV cable with the AV input for older devices. The projector supports Bluetooth 5.1 for pairing with wireless speakers and also includes a 3.5mm audio jack for connecting wired speakers or headphones. Insert a USB drive into one of the projector's USB ports. Press Source and Menu and select the USB input. Browse your media files using the remote. Press OK and Enter to play the selected file.
Smart features?
The YG291 features an electric focus system that lets you adjust image sharpness using the remote control. It provides fast, precise focusing without the need to manually rotate the lens. With its compact 8.85 by 7.08 by 5.31-inch design and 2.5 pounds, 1.13 to 1.15 kilograms weight, the projector is easy to carry and store. Its portable design makes it ideal for camping and moving between rooms. It is capable of creating an immersive theater experience with a projection size ranging from 35 inches up to 200 inches, depending on the throw distance. The projector features HDMI, dual USB-A, and AV ports for versatile connectivity. It is compatible with streaming sticks, gaming consoles, laptops, and smartphones. Built-in Bluetooth 5.1 enables wireless connection to speakers and soundbars. It delivers enhanced audio quality compared to the built-in speaker alone. The zoom feature adjusts the image size from 75% to 100% through the settings menu. It helps fit the display to your screen without moving the projector.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your HAPPRUN YG291 Mini Electric Focus Projector. See you in the next one.